friend. So we are going to do the Shelby Ann makeup routine. I went out and got some of the stuff that she recommended, some of the stuff that I can find because y'all sold out of everything. And some of the stuff that I already have. So, and I also have a mixture of drugstore products and high-end products. I think it's more about the technique and how you layer the makeup versus the makeup itself. You can, if you only have drugstore, then that's great. That's the whole point. If you only have high-end because that's what you're used to buying, that will work too. It's just how you layer it. So let's jump right in. So I have my list here that you'll see me refer to from time to time, and I think it's easier to lay it out this way. So I could not find the Thayer's milky toner, so I'm going to use my Fenty my Fenty toner. I think Fenty Skin has a toner that I'm probably going to get. We'll start with that. Let's put our toner on. We're going to let that dry. Her next step is the e.l.f. Thirst Burst drops. I couldn't find those either, so I have some glow drops by Dr. Barbara Sturm, and we are going to use that. I don't know if it's the same, but glow, we're going to use that. That's what that looks like. Oh my gosh. All right, so we're going to look at that. She says that you should be able to ice skate on your skin. So far, it's getting there. And I also did not find the e.l.f. sunscreen in Sunbeam. So I'm going to use my regular Black Girl sunscreen. I do use a Japanese brand, but I'm running low on that, so I didn't want to waste it. So I think that was way too much green. I think the thing about the Sunbeam is that it has the tint to it. I think I put way too much. I'll be right back. So I think we are ready to go ice skating. Okay, so we have skin that looks like we can ice skate on. Her next step was the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I could not find my shade in 2 stores, so I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me. And oh, I forget that this doesn't have a thing. So I'm going to pour it out on my hand. Oh, I think I left my powder puff. And I have something similar to what she uses, so I'm going to use that. And she said to load up the brush. And we're going to, oh! And she said avoid the under eye and put that shit on. But do y'all see that? Match, perfect match. So we're going to load this up. We're going to continue to put this on and avoiding our under eye area. So I'm going to add a little bit more to my brush. And I'll be right back. We have painted our foundation off, avoiding our under eye area. And like I said, she said, put that shit on. So I put that shit on. During the day, I would not wear this much. This would all melt off my face with the blow dryer. Okay, so we have that on. The next step is the She's 2 concealers. I did get the Infallible concealer in my shade, which I think I have Cashew 365. We'll see if it works. And then she has the Neutrogena foundation. I don't have that one, so I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty. So I'm going to put that here. Ooh, Lord. Now I don't know if I'm doing this right. So, and again, put that shit on. And we'll let that dry. And then the Fenty, I guess I'll put here. I actually really do like this concealer. We're going to put the concealer, we're going to put it here. We're going to go down here. I usually don't do this because I wear glasses. And I think she puts it here too. Yes, we're going to put it there. We'll see. And she said your face should look like peanut butter or something like that. So we're going to let this dry. And while she lets this dry, this is when she goes in with her brows. So I've already done something wrong because I put my concealer on before I put the bronzer on. So we're just going to go over it. So I did get the Milani Chef's Spilling Tea bronzer, and we're just going to figure out how to put that in without ruining the whole thing. And if we do, we can just wash our faces, right? And I think that was the purpose of looking like the peanut butter. Okay, so I just kind of slid it in between. I mean, my forehead already comes in, so I don't need to highlight that. She put it down here too. So we're going to put it down there. And what I also forgot to do was use my brush to, do you even see it coming out? We'll see what happens. So we're all wrong, guys, because I also forgot to do the tag on blush. We're going to keep moving. We're going to keep moving. So I got the brush. We're going to put it right in there. And we'll just see. Ooh, that's a lot. We'll just see what happens. All right. So all of this should be settled down. Courtney. So now we're going to take our damp beauty blender. It's not the ones that she uses. This is, I think, a Real Techniques one. And I'm just going to go in where I put the concealer first. And put that out. I'm going to look like such a clown. You know what? We'll just start over. That's what happens, right? You mess up, you start over. And it's okay. This piece of hair is driving me crazy. This little doggy is driving me crazy. Okay. And now we're just going to bounce it all. We're just going to blend it all. And we'll see what happens. Listen, right now, I'm not mad at it. What y'all think? Let me bring it down. Happy mistake, right? So, I missed several steps. I'm going to Anastasia. Shelby recommends the, I lost my picture, the L'Oreal Brow Lamination. Didn't find that one. I don't know what's up with my CVS and my Dwayne Reed in my area, but we're going to use that. Do not mind the fact that I need to get my eyebrows done. Lord. So I'm just going to brush these up. Brush them up. And then slide them down. Brush it up. And then slide it down. This is the Brow Freeze. Like I mentioned, I did not like it when I first got it. But it's growing on me. And so I'm going to let that dry a little bit. And now that that is dry, I'm going to just, because I have full brows already, so I don't need to fill them all the way in. But I do like them to look slightly. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. And so the next step in Shelby Ann's routine is the Infallible Perfection Blurfection powder. She uses the pink. I have a clear translucent, which is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I think for the purpose of the video, I'm going to, and to stick with her routine, I'm going to use the pink one. This is looking like a fail. I went to the bathroom and on the mirror, because I also can't see because I wear glasses. So let me put my glasses on and see what we're working with. I still can't tell. But we're going to keep moving. We're going to keep going. Okay, so I've tacked some out of what will come out. I don't know if that's enough. Shelby Ann, girl, you might have to help me. I don't know if I'm doing something right. So I'm going to, she says, pack it all on the little thing. And then, like, blur it out in your hand. And then apply it. We're going to keep moving. We're going to keep moving. And keep applying where we, oh Lord, where we put our concealer for the highlight. Shelby, well, I think I did something wrong, girl, because I'm looking ghostly. Shelby, girl, what did I do? Should I have used the, I mean, it does blur. Should I have used the clear? You won't have to DM me, girl. So I put the powder on where I put the blush, so under my eyes, forehead, and down here. The next step is the powder blush. No, I'm going to do the powder bronzer first. I have the Milani bronzer in Suntan, which is number 3. I'm going to use that everywhere I put the cream bronzer. Tap it up, I put it down here. Here. I don't know if any of this is showing up. Maybe I have no clue what colors I am, because I don't know. Oh, I think I see it. Okay. All right. So, because I feel like this is the most chaotic makeup, whatever. All right. So I have Milani blush in Luminoso. So we're going to put that where our blush is. Ciao. And I'm going to sweep it in my eye. Sweep it in my eye. I don't usually do eyeshadow. You guys, I don't know what I did. And then I think that's it for the whole makeup part of it. I'm going to spray my face. Okay, so I got the L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting spray. I've been using this and I really do like it. So now we're going to spray. Hold your breath. It smells just like hairspray, which I think it probably has the same properties. All right, and I don't usually wear eyeshadow, but I will. My eye has been tearing, but I will put some mascara on. I did not bring anything for eyeliner, so we're going to skip that step too. Shelby, girl, tell me what I did wrong, because I know that I did. This, and maybe my lighting is bad, but child, this looks nothing like what you did. So help a sister out. I don't know. Even bring lip gloss or lip liner for me to put on lipstick. So I'm just going to use my Tatcha lip mask, and this, it says it's peach lip jelly, Japanese peach lip jelly. I never read that. So I'm just going to put a little bit on, and luckily I have pink lips. So yeah, there we have it. This is Miss Shelby Ann's makeup routine. I don't know if you can tell what it looks like. Like, I love the way this looks. But girl, please tell me what I did wrong, because I feel like I did, and it's not slaying. And also I can't see. It's not. I don't think it's slaying in the way that everyone else's has been slaying, and I can't tell with the glasses on. So, what y'all think? What y'all think? Let me know. Don't be too harsh though, but let me know.